Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. The XRP price just had a crazy correction, and that's left a lot of people wondering, should you be buying more? And today, I want to talk a little bit about that. We did a live stream on this a little bit earlier, and all of you who tuned in, you most likely already know the answer, that I am buying. I am buying, and we actually just bought twice, and right now that turned out to be an extremely profitable decision, and I'll kind of scroll you guys through what my thought process was, why I am doing this, and why I am extremely excited about crypto in the near future. Having said that, make sure you put down below what your favorite coin is. Mine right now is 100% certain XRP. This coin has been going crazy right now, and I still think the near future of this coin is going to rock. It's going to really turn a lot of heads. Having said that, make sure you press the like button for the YouTube algorithm. XRP most likely went down right now because the price has gained too much in the short term. Right? That's a little TLDR. The price gained a ton, so a correction like this is completely normal. We went up about 100% right now, fell back down about 20% or so. It's completely usual. There's nothing strange in this happening. So please don't think this is odd. Please don't think this is mad. Why? Well, think about it. We were going up in anticipation of an event at about 8 p.m. my time, so right around here. The event turned out to be bullish, so the price went up a little bit more, and the price then corrected. That is mostly because, well, people have bought in on anticipation of something, and it happened. So the buying momentum usually takes off a little bit. However, this is most likely fueled because Bitcoin started to go down just a little bit, as you can kind of see over there. Bitcoin went down a little bit, and that usually gets the price down just a little bit more as well. That's also what happened for XRP. Now, the reason I am saying that that's most likely relevant to the lawsuit is because had the lawsuit been negative, had the hearing been negative, the price would have most likely dropped instantly at around 8 and just gone down for the next couple of hours to come to maybe even like these levels or something like that. But no, it's been supported at about 85 cents or so. We actually bounced back from, things are looking good. And that is most likely also because Bitcoin did that bounce right here. XRP will most likely follow Bitcoin, but the reason it is following Bitcoin, oh no, sorry guys, I said the conclusion is following Bitcoin, is really freaking beautiful because that once more means it's not really acting on its own. And that is good. Why? Because it is altcoin season, and that means if Bitcoin is staying neutral or Bitcoin is going up, XRP will most likely just outperform and is not being influenced negatively by the whole lawsuit. And on the lawsuits part, I would say, damn, are we bullish right now? Are we bullish right now? There has been no more faith ever than now. I should say that differently. I right now am more convinced that XRP will win than ever before. I am extremely confident. And I know I should be a little bit careful with that because this is not legal nor financial advice, but I am extremely confident in XRP right now. I am extremely, severely excited. And I should really point that out to make it really clear. Having said that, what I've been attempting to tell people during the live, we started the live stream at about 12:30, I think, so right around the middle of this candle. And after we started, the price already went up about 7% or so. You're not seeing it here properly, but the price went up about 7%. What I told people in the live stream, and what I'm going to tell people for the future as well, is if you're buying XRP, while it's already gone up so ridiculously much, you're a risk taker. However, from a different perspective, you aren't, because buying XRP is most likely a longer term vision. You're not buying this for the quick gains in the next couple of hours, next couple of days. If you are doing that, don't listen to these videos. Go look up some trading strategies and do your thing. You're asking me mostly, is XRP still a solid pick at $1 or 97 cents, 95 cents? And all I can say is, yes, it is. It is still a ridiculously cheap price. It's still juicy. The only thing you're going to have to worry about is that your average price is now too high. For me, my average price is still ridiculously low. So whatever I'm doing in these purchases, it's taking my average price up a little bit, but not really too much. Right? I'm just happy to be able to add more to my stash because I know what this is going long term. And I'm very convinced they'll win the lawsuit. So I know that these prices right now are still going to be tripled, quadrupled, whatever, in due time. So kind of in regards to that, yeah, if I'm buying right now, it might be a little bit more expensive than I could have bought, but that's not a real big problem in my opinion. And yes, you might laugh in a couple of hours right now because I might upload this video and then boom, a couple hours later the price drops. You think I really care? Be honest, do you really think I care? Of course I don't, because I know where we're headed and I keep stacking my money every single day. I keep putting more in. It's a freaking process. And in this case, my strategy was we'll go and buy our way down. I bought once when the price dipped down 10%, and I bought twice once the price dipped down 20%. I was also saying that in a live stream. This is exactly what it looked like since I was buying XRP with my Bitcoin. I was using Bitcoin to buy XRP, which might be a really stupid thing, you might say. I think it's a really smart thing because it's altcoin season. We have really explained that a couple of times before. So most likely XRP is going to pop off and beat Bitcoin. So the price at about you can see 1923 on the Bitcoin pair, and it dipped down 10%, boom, decided to buy. It dipped down 20%, boom, decided to buy more, and that was really close to the bottom. Did I predict the bottom would be here? No, I did not. This was really a kind of a guess because I just bought at -10 and -20, and very funny, it was at about -22 that the bottom was. That is, once we're not predicted, it is just lucky, but that's because I decided to buy over in that area. Having said that, can you do the same thing? Obviously. It's of course going to depend on how much money you have and how good you are with your risk management / how kind of good you are on XRP faith. I know I'm saying XRP faith a little bit strange, but it's like, for me, if I got to hold this go for a couple months, couple years, I don't really mind because I know the longer term vision. I know where this is going. If you are going to have to pray and be scared when the price goes down, this is not your coin. I have literally bought XRP at above $1 before in 2018, I believe. And I wasn't really scared when the price dropped to 17 cents or anything like that. I was happy to be a hodler because I know where we were going to go. And literally everybody who's watched my channel from 2018 May to 2020 freaking 1 April 5th or something like that, right now should still be in profit. Everybody who's watched my channel and who's bought XRP is in profit right now. If you haven't been in profit, or if you haven't been in profit at least once here, you've most likely done something wrong or you've lost faith throughout the road. Or you're not a hodler. You didn't buy XRP. That's not a problem, though. Don't get me wrong. It's not a problem to not have XRP because you might have some coins which have outperformed severely, and that is completely fine. I, however, want to diversify my bag. I think XRP is a good coin to hold. I think it's a good coin to hold for longer term because they have a lawsuit going on, which is going to be detrimental for the entire crypto space. And since they're one of the pioneers in the crypto lawsuits, at least they got one of the most important ones, this might also play out really juicy here. Another one is it's really itching close to $1 once more. It can hover around that area for a little while. We might have some room to get a couple of really juicy trades in. But I've also said a couple of times before, Prime XBT here is what I base it on a little bit as well. Bitcoin has been making higher lows consecutively for a very good while, and I don't think that that's going to be stopping. If it does, we're going to have to readjust our strategy just a little bit. Right now, though, it's still just at the bottom of the channel, as you can clearly see right here. It's still at the bottom. We haven't broken below it just quite yet. It could just be another higher low. We're going sideways for Bitcoin, but that's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Because that means once more, altcoin season has been solidified. And you can see here, we got a little bit of a dip down below, but this is just on a 1 hour. On a bigger picture, it really doesn't look too much like we actually left it. It could just be kind of an intermediary fall down, right? On a 4 hour, it doesn't really look like this channel is supported too much. It kind of feels too broad. We might even have to adjust our channel to something like this because it could happen. It is within the parameters, I would say. It is within the bigger picture, as can clearly be seen on Prime XBT. It's just following the pattern. Right now, we're still making a higher low. This is a daily. So what is there to worry about? We should worry potentially if Bitcoin falls below the previous low that we had here. That means the trend, the upward trend, is then not there anymore. And that's going to really depend a little bit. Corrections are normal. So a correction like that can happen to still get sustained momentum going on. However, if the correction is severe enough, we might say, okay, the big bull run is over. Right now, it's going to be bearish season again for maybe a couple of months, couple of years. That could be the case. In this case, though, we're not going to really assume anything like that until we get a little bit further of a decline, something heavier, because once more, Bitcoin actually dipped a ton more here from March to April. Let's quickly see here, or within March still. It dropped about 20% here in this time frame, and nothing was worried, or nobody was worried back then. People are now only worried because it's XRP at stake, right? And once more, if you don't have a strategy like I have with buying every time it goes down, think of something else. But I am saying longer term XRP is still solid, and I might look like a sucker for a couple of days here. Maybe the price is going to dip towards 76 cents, something like that. Really quickly after making this video, it is all okay. Because I got the faith and I know where we're going to be going. We could go up like crazy, we could pump today. Nobody is in the end going to know. If somebody on Twitter or YouTube is claiming they know for a fact something's going to happen, they're lying to you. Because they do not. Nobody's going to know. Nobody has a glass ball. Only maybe a manipulator with billions of dollars. He might be able to move the price somewhere so he can know, I guess. But even those guys can be surprised sometimes. And what I'm thinking right now, since we already dipped down, is, well, let's just stick to this kind of routine, is where if we go down to minus 25, we might buy more. If we go down to minus 30%, we might buy more. All right. And so we're just waiting. We're just chilling. If we go, for example, to this area right here at about this on the Bitcoin pair, we'll just buy a little bit more. If we go down once more to about minus 40%, which could be right around here, we might just buy some more. Is that really smart? It depends, right? I personally think it is because I'm just readjusting my position. I'm just DCAing, dollar cost averaging my way down. But yeah, everybody has their own type of way to view these things. I just think it's going to be profitable, but hey, that is just me. Let me know what you think about this strategy down below in the comment section, and I'm going to see you guys again in another crypto video a little bit later today.